Love comes easily to some people. For others, however, it is not that simple to find the right ones. One of the reasons for this is that people can't bring themselves to express feelings to their crushes. Are you also struggling to complete your love life? We will show you some typical behaviors of someone who silently has affection for you. Through this, you'll also know where he is coming from, making breaking the barrier between you two easier. So, what are you waiting for? Dive right in to get the answer you want. 9 signs he likes you but is hiding it. Subtle glances. Love does things to you, such as constantly having that person in your mind, wanting to know what she's doing. Therefore, if he often glances your way, it means that he is paying more attention to you. However, if once you look back, there are no longer eyes on you, then he is not ready to tell you that. On the other hand, if he doesn't divert his glance when you notice it, he's trying to say something to you through the eyes. Maybe the next time, he'll muster enough courage to confess his feelings in words. Keep waiting a little more, and you'll see. He tries to spend more time with you. The second sign is that time has with you longer. Who doesn't want to spend time with the people they like? Sticking around you makes him happy with the love hormone released oxytocin. That is his way of telling you he cares about you and wants to know you better. He remembers things about you. A girl is often touched by small but delicate gestures. Remembering her every detail is a prime example of that. He must be into her and observative enough to take notes of little things about her. Now, come to think about it, does this sign apply to your case? Have you ever mentioned something in passing, then get surprised because he still remembers it after weeks? Is he somewhat forgetful in daily life, but when it comes to your interests, hobbies, or weakness, he knows them like the back of his hand? If the answer is yes, he surely has a crush on you. He tries to impress you. When a guy has feelings for you, he couldn't help making efforts to impress you. Those efforts can come in different forms. It could be paying more attention to his appearance. Instead of the usual unkempt hair, he might start to comb his hair before going out. He will also change the way he dresses to something smarter and easy on the eyes to appear more good-looking in front of you. If you're more on the intellectual side, he'll find ways to connect with you. No matter how difficult the topic you're interested in is, he still tries to do research on it. All of that just to have something in common with you, showing you that he is suitable for you. Jealousy. Jealousy is one of the most common signs he likes you but is hiding it. It appears when he sees you with other guys. Because he likes you, he wants all of your attention on him. Therefore, when you spend time with another man, it's understandable that he'll get upset. He helps you a lot. Helping is a good way to score points with you and become a potential candidate for a boyfriend. Seeing their loved ones in trouble also wakes up the hero instinct inside every man. That instinct drives them to take action on your problem and bring you comfort. Thus, if there is always a certain person standing by your side every time you struggle with something, he is surely falling for you. More texts and fast replies. In our modern world, where smartphones are the main tools to communicate among people, texting is also a factor to know if he's having feelings for you. How many times a day does he text you? If texts from him come every so often, mentioning only work-related information, you and he are just casual friends. On the other hand, if hardly a day goes by without his text, that's one of the signs he likes you but is hiding it. He will find excuses to talk to you. Even some random "today the weather's good" can also be used to initiate a conversation with you. He is happy when he is with you. He has feelings for you because he's comfortable when you're around in the first place. Maybe you two's personalities are compatible, or there is something about you that makes him relaxed and happy. Besides, when he gets to be in your company, it means one of his goals is achieved. That also brings him a sense of satisfaction. He is often hot and cold around you. Since there is no commitment between you two, it's normal that he gets uncertain about how to act around you. On days the affection he feels for you gets strong, he may become all heart eyes and soft around you. But there are also days when he wants to give you space or tries not to be clingy. That's when he is not so affectionate as usual. Don't be discouraged just because of those moments. Wait for him to figure out his emotions, and things will start to look up. If you love our video, please like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.